little buddy. You want to tell everybody what you just did? So I was in my cage and I was playing on my swing and I was fooling around, I think, and I fell down and I got my wing wedged in the bars and I couldn't get it out, and I was screaming my head off till Mommy came along and she helped me get it out. And I'm very lucky because I could have broke my wing. Right? Yes, you could have. I'll teach you to play on the monkey bars. You could have broke your wing. Silly bird. There's always something with you. Isn't it? Always something. Whoop. Alright. Do we turn this on again? You're sitting on the button. I think you're sitting on...